Planning your next Zion adventure? Many of the park's most iconic experiences require a permit, and getting one is easier than you think. If you're hiking Angel's Landing, you'll need to enter the seasonal lottery at recreation.gov. This lottery opens several months in advance, and winners are chosen at random. Missed the deadline? Check the day before lottery for last-minute spots. Heading to the subway via Left Fork Creek or Mystery Canyon? You'll also need a permit. Apply online, select your date, and confirm your reservation. Each trip requires its own permit for safety and conservation. The process is simple. Visit recreation.gov, create your free account, search for your hike or activity. Apply during the right lottery window, or request a reservation. Be sure to read the full trail description, access details, and parking information before you go. Remember, you'll need to pick up your permit at Zion National Park Visitor Center. Greater Zion is the destination for your great adventure. Secure your permit and let the journey begin.